Hey class, this is lesson 1.1 of Go Math. Today you're going to be learning how to find the value of the underlined digits. Before we hop into the lesson, I'm going to teach you a new math term. It's called periods. In English or in writing, we put the period at the end of a sentence, and in history, we have different time periods. But in math, periods refer to the different sections in our place value chart, and I'll show you what I mean by that written here in green. Let me zoom you in, make sure it focuses. Okay, so here are our different periods. We're going to be focusing on mostly the ones period and the thousands period, but I want to let you know right after that is the millions period. Let me go ahead and reveal this for you. And within the ones period, we have our ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. This should not be news to you if you watched the last Flipgrid videos. If you haven't, make sure to check those out because it'll make more sense to you if you finish up those lessons first. So ones, tens, and hundreds. And then after this ones period, we have the thousands period. And dun, 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 you'll notice a pattern. Let's see right here. Ooh, I purposely wrote this in black, blue, and red because once again we have black, blue, and red. But this time it's 1,000s, 10,000s, and then 100,000s. But as you can see, we have this pattern of ones, tens, 100, 1, 10, 100. Go ahead and pause the video right now. What do you think is going to be behind this paper in the millions period? Here's your hint: 1, 10, 100, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, you should be unpaused right now. Here we go. If you guessed 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, then you are correct. Okie dokie. I'm actually for this lesson going to cover up the millions, and we're going to focus on the thousands and ones periods. Okay. Alrighty, so now you know that within each period there's a ones, tens, and thousands. Now I'm going to give you a number and I'm going to underline a digit in that number and tell you how to figure out what the value of that number is, and I'll show you what I mean right over here. Oh, I also forgot to mention that in between each period there is a comma. So comma here, so every 3 digits you put a comma. 1, 2, 3, and then a comma. Okay, so now we have the number. Let me zoom you in really quick. 703,890. And I want to know the value of just this 7 right here. So I'm going to underline that 7. So now I'm going to ask, what's the value of that 7 inside of this multi-digit number? Well, a way to solve this is plugging in this number into our place value chart. So here we go. We have a 0 in the ones place, a 9 in the tens place, an 8, 3, 0, 7. 0, 7. I just plugged it right in here, and now I can see that the 7 is in the 100,000s place. So my answer would be, let's put our answer, the value of 7 in this number, the value of 7 in 703,890 is 700,000. Because you're ignoring all the other values and you just want to know what the value of that underlined number is. Let's try it again. Okie dokie, let's go ahead and do another example. This time we're trying to find the value of 4 inside of 63,540. Once again, I'm going to plug this number into my place value chart. 0, 5, 3, 6. And I just want to know the value of 4. So I'm going to go right over here to my 4. As you can see, 4 is in the tens place. So 4 tens equals 40. Okay, let's take a look at one more example. 182,034. I just want to know the value of 8 in this number. So I'm going to plug it in to my place value chart. 4, 3, 0, 2, 8, 1. Alrighty, so I'm going to take a look, and it looks like my 8 is in the 10,000s place. So 8 times 10,000 is going to be 80,000. So the value of 8 and 182,034 is 80,000. Here is your video response question. Find the value of the underlined digit. For number 1, I want you to tell me the value of 2 in 46,842. And for number 2, tell me the value of 9 in 980,650. It's your lucky day because you don't need to show me any of your work. Just tell me the answer. And if you need help, feel free to rewind this video, take a look at that place value chart, and plug in the numbers into the chart just like I showed you in the examples. Good luck, and you got this.